These are metal post caps, and they're made by Fence Armor. These are made in America, which I really like, and they fit on any size fence post. So they're really cool. They're powder coated. They're made of steel and zinc, and the zinc actually comes from right here in Tennessee, just a few miles up the road from us. And they're a great post cap because a couple reasons. One, you can put any type of finial on the top that you want, and they've got a whole offering of finials that you can use, or you can go with a standard flat cap. And they have the patented cap claw in here. And what that allows it to do is it allows this post cap to work on any size fence post, from a 3.5 all the way up to 4 1/8. And those in the Pacific Northwest, they get a lot of the 4 1/8 post, and they're really hard to find a cap for. But these will work. And so the cool thing is they're so easy to put on. You don't have to screw them on or nail them on. You just simply take them out of the package and you put them on the post, and there it is. They're on there.